Good morning, everyone. Today I will talk about syntax. Before I start, I will introduce myself. My name is Bintang Kasyana Barumana. Part 1, I will talk about definition. What is syntax? Syntax is the level at which we study how words combine to form phrases, phrases combine to form clauses, and clauses join to make sentences. Syntax is the set of rules, principles, and processes that govern the structure of sentences in given language, usually including word order. The first immediate constituent analysis or IC analysis is a method of sentence analysis that was first mentioned by Leonardo Bloomfield and developed further by Roland Wells. The process reached a full-blown strategy for analyzing sentence structure in the early works of Noam Chomsky. The practice is now widespread. If we take a simple sentence like students travel, we can identify the two constituents, students, and travel. It is possible to substitute a two-word sequence for the constituents, students, without changing the basic structure. Number 2, labeling means putting name or thing at, so it is a way of specifying what these elements are. The label provides some kind of definition of the units that have been identified as parts of some larger whole. Number 3, phrase structured grammars are all those grammars that are based on the constituency relation as opposed to the dependence relation associated with dependence grammars. Hence, pre-structured grammars are also known as constituency grammars. Any of several related theories for the parsing of natural language qualify as constituent grammar, and most of them have been developed from Chomsky works, including. The next is transformational generative grammar. TGG is a system of linguistic analysis consisting of a set of rules that generate basic syntactic structures in the form of simple independent clauses, and a set of transformational rules that operate on those structures so as to produce questions, complex sentences, and etc., and thus to account for every possible sentence of a language. Next, linguistic competence. Linguistic competence is the system of linguistic knowledge possessed by native speakers of a language. It is distinguishable from linguistic performance, which is the way a language system is used in communication. The next is kernel sentence are the basic constructions. From this, the rest of the complex constructions are made. The rest of the sentences are transformations of the kernel sentence. Essentially, a kernel sentence is made of a noun phrase or NP followed by verb phrase of or VP. The next is deep and surface structure. Also, the structure and S structure also this abbreviate form are sometimes used with distinct meanings. Concepts are used in linguistics, specifically in the study of syntax in the Chomskyan tradition of transformational generative grammar. The next is conjoining is also identified by other terms like coordination and conjunction. In this process, certain parts of two or more sentences are similar in structure. Number 2, embedding in it. One sentence is included within the other. Embedding transformation process embeds the constituent sentence into the matrix or basic sentence. Number 3, recursion. Through this process, the same rules may be reapplied identically many times within a single derivation. The last, these continuous constituent scholars of structural linguistics usually work with cutting, classifying, and labeling elements of language, which is the process of IC analysis. I think that's all. Thanks for watching this video and thank you. Bye, guys.